Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to invest using MarketWatch. First, navigate to the MarketWatch website to access its comprehensive financial information. Explore the various sections like Markets, Personal Finance, and Investing to familiarize yourself with the platform's offerings. This initial step is crucial for understanding the breadth of data available to inform your investment strategy. Take your time to browse the headlines and featured articles. Once you're familiar with the site, dive into researching specific investment options. MarketWatch offers powerful screening tools that allow you to filter stocks based on metrics like market capitalization, dividend yield, or price-to-earnings ratio. Review detailed company pages for financial data, news, and expert opinions. Comparing different assets side by side helps you make informed choices about where to allocate your capital. Now it's time to think about building your actual investment portfolio. MarketWatch emphasizes the importance of diversification, suggesting you spread your investments across various sectors and asset types to mitigate risk. Align your choices with your personal financial goals, whether that's long-term growth or income generation. Remember, even starting with a modest sum, like $500, can begin your investment journey effectively. Finally, consistent monitoring and periodic adjustments are key to successful investing. Use MarketWatch's portfolio tracking features to keep an eye on your investment's performance and identify any areas needing attention. Stay updated on global economic news and specific company announcements that could impact your holdings. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This proactive approach ensures your portfolio remains aligned with your objectives over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.